How to fix Google Chrome Facebook login problem. So if you want to fix the Google Chrome Facebook login problem or Facebook not opening in your Chrome browser problem, then what you need to do is first open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the search and you need to search for links. Once you've searched here, you will have opening links setting, right? So you need to open up your opening links, and under opening links, you will have instant apps. So make sure to turn that on so that you can open links in applications even if they are not installed. So you need to scroll down and choose the Facebook. So here you have the Facebook, right? So it says don't allow app to open links. So tap on Facebook and then tap on open supported links, and that's it. Now you can go to your browser and you can log into your Facebook, or you can open up your Facebook links in your browser. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.